Well, you can see, I mean, we all work on the same place. And as you know, like we have another location at the South Pier. And every day we see, and I mean, since the pandemic has hurt us, I mean, we all know that how hard time we have faced through. And Christmas basically is the occasion that when we can say that we all stay one as one and more strong. So that's the message, I mean, with this. And it's, you just want to celebrate with all of us, you know, all the people. That's what Christmas is for. And that's what we are only trying to appreciate their hard work, to appreciate their positivity. So that's all I'm doing it for.
Thank you. I give you the opportunity to give them to him.
Thank you. Yes, please.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Ronnie, your reaction to the gift from Milano?
First place, it's very positive for all of us who have received this as a gift. We didn't expect to get it. We just got a call from, hey guys, go to Milano's, we have something for you all. So we're very pleased and very happy with this. And it shows that we still have great people around that believe in us, and that's very important.
Did everyone get one of this?
Yeah, all of us, taxis, and yeah, everyone who's working with the cruise tourism, we all got it. I mean, it's buses and taxis, we all got one of these.
Yeah, we wish from all the people of Bonaire, we love to wish you all Merry Christmas and very Happy New Year. And please, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. And we love to see you at any of our location anytime you wish for. And we have a great price rate, great discounts. And please visit us anytime you want.